Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you a set of 89 to 93 Dodge 12 valve 5.9 injectors from Dynomite Diesel. 89 to 93 Dodge 5.9 liter VE pump style injectors, performance injectors, are still wildly popular here at Thoroughbred Diesel. One of our leading brands that sell performance injectors for this truck is DDP. The DDP injectors are offered from all the way from their economy series or the eco series all the way up to their custom series, which can be made to any size that you want them to. This set in particular is a set of stage 3 injectors from them. The stage 3 injectors will support 400 horsepower with the correct supporting modifications. And DDP just does a really good job in what they send you in the kit. They don't cheap out on that. They give you everything that you're going to need here. So you're going to get in the set, you're going to get new injector hold down nuts. This is a really nice feature. Again, we know these trucks, just because of the age, the rust, and so on, it's just nice to have the new hold down nuts. You are going to get new copper washers for the return line to keep you from having any leaks. The injector bodies themselves are pristine. A little bit that DDP does different on these injectors is the copper compression washer thickness. Now, for your non-intercooled trucks, which is your early model trucks, you have the original injectors had a bigger diameter nozzle on them. We always call them big end nozzles. And then the intercooled trucks had the small end nozzle. A lot of customers will get these injectors, if you've got an early model truck, and pop their stock ones out and say, hey, this is a much smaller nozzle. What DDP has done here is they are using that smaller nozzle for the later model trucks, and doing all their magic and working out K-factor, and they're just really precise. Their precise honing abilities that they're doing, and they're putting a thinner washer on this nozzle, so you don't have to use that copper compression sleeve to take up the slack or void in the heads. This is putting the injector down farther into the injector bore, closer to the piston bowl. You get better atomization of the fuel right there. Just a cleaner running truck and just a better running truck overall. They also send you a nut that you can screw onto the top of the injectors. This nut can be used for removal of your stock injectors. It gives you a good prize point to where you're not screwing up the threads of the injector. You can put it on the head of the injectors for reinstallation as well. But yeah, they send you pretty much everything you need here in the kit for the injector installation. DDP is just doing really good stuff and making just some huge strides in technology in their nozzles and the things that they're doing in that. And they're incorporating everything that they're learning in their nozzle production into these older model trucks, which is going to translate for you guys in these older model trucks with a cleaner running truck, better running truck, and just something for you to be proud of. So if you're looking to put performance injectors in your 89 to 93 Dodge, just give us a call. And if you have any questions about any DDP products, just let us know. Thanks for watching.